समाचार अखिल ब्रह्मांड की भूत भविष्योत्थान की आई हार्टी वेलकम यू टू द पीएम समाचार channel from the international world. Mongolia, a nation bordered by China and Russia, is known for vast trade, expanses, and nomadic culture. Its capital, Ulaanbaatar, centers around Genghis Khan Square, named for the notorious founder of the 13th and 14th century Mongol Empire. Country today is India locked because of farmers. Education, biology, guest paper not NCERT books given. Sacraments, petrol and diesel cost not increases. Environment, Panna National Park is a national park located in Panna and Chhatarpur district of Madhya Pradesh in India. It has an area of 542.67 km square. It was declared in 1993 as the 22nd Tiger Reserve of India and the 5th in Madhya Pradesh. Panna was given the Award of Excellence 2007 as the best maintained national park of India by the Ministry of Tourism of India. It is notable that by 2009 the entire tiger population had been eliminated by poaching with the collusion of Forest Department officials. Invention, speed of light. The speed of light in vacuum, commonly denoted c, is a universal physical constant embodied in many areas of physics. Its exact value is defined as meter per second. Great Portion, Kannad, also known as Kashyap Ulu Kannada and Kannabuk, was an ancient Indian natural scientist and philosopher who founded the Vashika school of Indian philosophy that also represents the earliest Indian physics. State Arunachal Pradesh is a state in northeast India. It borders the states of Assam and Nagaland to the south. It shares the international borders with Bhutan in the west, Myanmar in the east, and disputed borders with China in the north and the Mishmohan line. Itanagar is the state capital of Arunachal Pradesh. Crops. Dal is a term used in the Indian subcontinent for dried spring pulses that do not require pre-soaking. India is the largest producer of pulses in the world. Fruits. Guava is a tropical fruit cultivated in many tropical and subtropical regions. Pseudium gajava is a small tree in the myrtle family native to Mexico, Central America, the Caribbean, and northern South America. Flowers. Castrum noctatrum, the lady of the night, night blooming jasmine, night seconded jasmine, night seconded castrum or post and berry is a species of plant in the potato family. Sonanesia, it is native to the West Indies but naturalized in South Asia. Yoga, Paschimottanasana, seated forward bend or intense dorsal stretch is a seated forward bending asana in Hatha Yoga and modern yoga as exercise. The health benefits of Paschimottanasana improves digestion, helps relieve the symptoms of menopause and menstrual discomforts, soothes headache and anxiety, and reduces fatigue. Universe. Kizilkum Registan is the 15th largest desert in the world. Its name is red sand and Turkic land, but it is located in Central Asia and the drop between the rivers Amu Darya and Shar Darya, a region historically known as Transjornia or Shogdiana. Today it is divided between the Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan, and Uzbekistan. Mathematics. In mathematics, a polynomial is an expression consisting of variables and coefficients that involves only the operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and non-negative integer exponentiation of variables. Ayurveda, licorice or lycoris is a common name of glycyrrhizum. Glabra is a flowering plant of the bean family Fabaceae, from the root of which a sweet aromatic flavoring can be extracted. Village town. Haridwar. Haridwar is an ancient city and important Hindu pilgrimage site in North India's Uttarakhand states, where the river Ganga reaches the Himalayan foothills. The largest of several sacred ghats, Har Ki Puri hosts a nightly Ganga Aarti in which many flickering lamps are present. Today is even battled in Falklands Island, Bodhi Day in Japan, CARICOM Cuba Day in Caribbean. National Youth Day in Albania, Hariyoko in Japan, Constitution Day in Romania and Uzbekistan, beauty Finnish music in Finland. Weather news: cold is increased, and the old question they have to take care too much. Today's temperature in Patna 17 degrees Celsius and in Delhi 14 degrees Celsius. A newspaper is a periodical publication containing written information about current events and is often typed in black ink with a white or grey background. Newspaper can cover a wide variety of fields such as politics, business, sports and arts, and often include material such as opinion columns, weather forecasts, receipts of local services, obituaries, birth notices, crosswords, editorial cartoons, comic strips, and advice columns. Today's food, that's all I take for tomorrow. Live, stay healthy, be happy. माँ भारती की जय.
ॐ द्यौः शान्तिरन्तरिक्ष ॐ शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगुण शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः